be focusing on something I'd like everyone to get. Everyone can focus on the background. And what do you think today's lesson is going to be about? Grace said magnet. That is correct. Before we start learning about magnets, let's go over a few vocabulary terms. And if you know vocabulary terms, let us know in the chat, which is awesome. But first, the first word is force, and that's a push or a pull on an object, and it can cause an object to accelerate, slow down, remain in place, or change shape. And then the next word is push, which means the force that moves an object away from something. Pull means the force of bringing an object closer. And magnetism is an invisible force or field caused by the unique properties of certain materials. In magnets, the molecules are uniquely arranged. Next slide. All right, with that information that I just told you, let's play the matching game. And if you want to put it in the chat, we can match each vocabulary term to the definition. So go ahead and do that. My laptop just said low battery, so I will be plugging in my laptop right now. All right, so Grace said push is bringing an object closer. Actually, push is the force that moves an object away from something. All right, let's try a force. Force is a push or pull on an object, which is exactly correct. A push or pull on an object can cause an object to accelerate, slow down, remain in place, or change shape. Now, what's magnetism? What's the definition for magnetism? Grace said magnetism is an invisible force or field caused by unique properties, which is exactly correct. Good job, Grace. And last vocab word is pull, which what definition could that be? Exactly, the force of bringing an object closer. Nice job. Next slide. So now we're going to watch a mini clip of magnets, and I will mute myself.
I'm Dr. Jeff, and today we'll explore the science of magnets and static electricity.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to push two of the same poles together, feel the force.
That, my friend, are two magnets repelling. As you know, one side says N and the other says S.
Ah, yes. Nachos and shrimp.
Close. It's actually north and south.
When I put two of the north poles together, they repel. But if I put a north pole and a south pole together, they attract.
That's because opposites attract. That's a matter of fact. Opposites attract like nachos and shrimp.
This is a strong magnet.
It is strong, but I have one a lot more powerful. One of the strongest kind of magnets is called a neodymium magnet. And it's so strong, it could actually be dangerous. Let's see what happens to this strawberry when it gets caught between these two powerful magnets. This is about to get messy, so I put on my safety goggles and gloves, and I'm gonna go hide behind that plexiglass shield. Don't try this at home. See ya. When I hit this button, the magnets will be released. 3, 2.
Ooh, we could make smoothies at twice the speed. Can we turn these magnets off? I'd like to have my smoothie now.
These magnets can't be turned off, but there is a kind of magnet that can be turned on and off with electricity. It's called an electromagnet.
Hey kids, you want to watch this whole episode and more? Tell your teacher to sign up at GenerationGenius.com. We cover all science topics from grades 3 to 5, and you get to watch it in class, but only if you tell your teacher.
Awesome. Thank you, Jules. And next, we have nice, Grace. Love that you love the video. Next slide, I believe it is our co-teacher, Miss Sam, who will be showing you how to do this activity.
So first we have to make a T-chart. So we're going to make a T-chart. It's going to look just like the one on the screen. We're going to have a magnetic sign and a non-magnetic sign. What do you think we're going to do with our T-chart? Yes, you will need paper and a pencil. Yeah, Grace said you will compare. Yep, we're going to compare magnetic and non-magnetic. Okay, do we want to go to the next slide? Okay, we're going to do a magnetism simulator. So if, Jules, you want to click the link right here, that should take us to the simulator if you want to do that for us. If you just click the word simulator, that should have the link to it. And then we will go ahead and put that in the chat as well. And then we are going to play magnetic or not. Yep.
These metal atoms need to be sorted into magnetic and non-magnetic groups. Can you help?
Yes!
Excellent. Drop each item onto the target. If it is attracted to the magnet, you'll know it's magnetic, and you can add it to the box of magnetic items. If the magnet doesn't attract it, you'll know it isn't magnetic, and you can drop it in the box of non-magnetic items. Grab any item when you want to get started. Screws. Test the item's magnetism with the magnet, and then put them in the correct box.
So we have to put them on the pad first to see if they're magnetic or not.
Screws. 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 Screws.
Oh, there we go.
With magnetic properties. Copper pipe. Copper pipe.
You just have to put
Copper
it on
pipe.
the pad, not on the magnet.
Copper pipe. Copper pipe. That piece of pipe is made of copper, and copper is not magnetic. Silver ring. Is it magnetic or not? Silver ring. That ring is made of silver, and silver is not magnetic. Aluminum can. Is it magnetic or not? Aluminum can. 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 Aluminum can.
The aluminum can was tricky, isn't it?
Aluminum can. Aluminum can. Aluminum can. Aluminum can.
Try just putting it on in front of the box.
Can. That can is made of aluminum, and aluminum is a non-magnetic metal. Scissors. Scissors. Is it magnetic or not? Scissors. These scissors stick right to the magnet, so they are magnetic. Paper clips. Is it magnetic or not? Paper clips. That paper clip contains iron, so it is magnetic. Coins. Is it magnetic or not? Coins. Those coins don't contain magnetic metals, so they are not magnetic. Key. Is it magnetic or not? Key. That key is made of iron, so it is attracted to the magnet. Sorting them in the boxes helped me create a Tchart with the magnetic and non-magnetic items. This is going right in my notebook. It's saved if you'd like to keep it in yours too. I'm saving it.
So see how they made a Tchart? We're going to make a Tchart with the items that they used in the simulator, just like he did. So, what is one thing that was magnetic? Who remembers? Paper clips, yep. The keys, What else? The nails, yep. The scissors. Good job. What was non-magnetic? The coins, the cans. The can one was a little tricky. The metal ring. What else was non-magnetic? Oh, yep, the pipe. What kind of pipe was it? Was it just a regular pipe or was it a certain type of pipe? It was a copper pipe. There we go. And I believe there's one more. Oh, and the can. We already said the can. Great job, guys. So now we have a Tchart of our magnetic things and non-magnetic things.
So what are some things that are magnetic that you use every day? There are some pictures here, but let's first see what you guys say in the chat, and then I can go over those. And you might see some that you use in the picture. Grace said she uses her fridge magnets to hang her drawings. Nice. Oh, awesome. And they're right there to the top left. So that's awesome. And then as you see, there's a laptop, scissors, keys. Oh yeah, you also use your computer to join these. Awesome. All right, next slide. So let's review what we did today. We went over vocabulary words. We played the vocabulary matching game. We learned how to make a Tchart. We talked about objects in our daily life just now that use magnets. We got to view a video and use a simulation that focused on magnets. And we determined if objects were magnetic or non-magnetic. You guys should feel super proud of yourselves and give a pat on the back. And thank you so much for joining us. We hope you have a good weekend.